Hello and welcome to another update video about silver. So this is still the silver count from the last video around a week ago. This hasn't changed and we've actually entered the next support box. This was the last one. Yeah, had you entered here, you would be in profit now. And we're now in the next one where we said the wave 3 probably finished up here. Around, 2450, came down in A wave. And we talked about, I remember we talked in the last video about this could be a B wave, but if we break above this high of 2450, it probably is already the beginning of the next wave up. But it was only an overshooting, no, B wave, basically a flat pattern, 3 waves down, 3 waves up. And now we're moving down in a C wave. And it looks like this is sort of a diagonal pattern, an ending diagonal. It looks like it comes in the shape of an ascending, broadening wedge. These typically would break out to the upside, makes sense, in line with the Elliott wave count here. As a C wave, what you often get in Elliott wave is that the A wave produces a stronger reading on the relative strength index than the C wave, and that's exactly what we're seeing here, leading to a bullish divergence, which could then result eventually in a breakout here on the 4-hour chart, and you should see that on the 1-hour chart as well. No, actually, oh, 1 sec, yeah, okay, but here you've got too much noise around, so this shows too much detail, the 1 hour, so we need to see that on the 4-hour, and here you can see that bullish divergence between waves A and C. So that would confirm the count here. Is this already over or not? I don't know, it doesn't look like it's finished. Reason it doesn't look like it's finished is because we haven't got the signal. We haven't broken out of the wedge yet. We haven't broken out of this trend line. You could even adjust it a bit like that. And the confirmation that we are moving higher than in this 5th wave would be a break above the B wave high of 2450 basically, or 2451. So again, you never really know if a move is finished until it really shows you a signal into the opposite direction. That is why I like personally to scale into these support areas, and this would have been successful. Now, I'm not really trading silver futures or CFDs, but I rather like the physical one. But yeah, maybe I'll change my mind. You know, this seems to be looking pretty good. And then moving up in the 5th wave here, we are on track to starting that soon. Here, this support area is based on the calculation of the length of the 3rd wave and the retracements. So the minimum requirement for the wave 4 is here the $23 level, the 23.6 fib. The ideal level is $22.06, 38.2 fib. Normally, you would expect the C wave to go there. And then the 50% is sort of the maximum. Below the 50% level, I think we have a failure of an impulse to the upside. Bear in mind, we only have 3 waves up at the moment. 1, 2, 3 could also just be an ABC. That's still a possibility. That would be the bearish version. So that means if we now drop below the 50% level, below $21, then this move will most likely fail, or at least the reliability of the chart will reduce and the count may fall into pieces. The wave 4 is only maintainable as long as we're holding the 50% fib. Now, okay, if we drop briefly below that area, maybe touch that trend line here just to retest it, because we haven't done that yet, that's fine as well. But we shouldn't maintain below that 50% fib level. Yeah, and then target for the 5th wave. I mean, I can't really give it to you yet because I don't really have a confirmed low for the wave 4 in place. As soon as we have that, I can calculate a target. I think we already made an assumption here. I based it on the last low, but now we have to readjust it. So the target based on the last low, but it will have to be adjusted if we go a bit lower, is between 2681 and 2929. But the 61.8 fib is the more likely one. Here the 2681 level. Yeah, and that's my update about silver. I will keep you updated. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.
Thank you.